because my sister...
What do you mean again?
Because I came here.
Oh, yeah, I haven't been here yet.
Because my sister hasn't been, so here we go again. You come to Wynwood, it's best to find parking on the street. You pay by phone and then walk up to the gate where it says Wynwood Walls, and then in there's a little section of murals. But outside of this, there's murals all over the downtown Wynwood area. Because it's too hot, we're sweating, and we have to go pick up my grandpa. I look bald in all my videos. So is this zoomed in? I look like a ghost on camera. Is it recording? I look like a ghost. You guys see how bad I'm sweating? What a mistake. Ah!